Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already created your world, now get command access. If single player, use Open to LAN and enable cheats, then click Start LAN World. If on a server, make sure you are op or the console will run commands for you. Once you can type, press T or / to open chat and begin. This step gives you permission and the interface. Do it first, because without it the game mode command will fail immediately. You will now change the mode using the exact command. Type /gamemode creative at P to give the nearest player creative, or /gamemode 0 Steve to force a player into survival, numbers 0-3 map to modes. Make sure you use the correct player name or selector, otherwise the server won't find a target. Once done, press enter and watch the chat confirm the change. If nothing happens, check permissions or spelling and try again, because the server requires precise input. Finish by confirming the new mode. Creative shows unlimited blocks and flight, survival shows hunger and health bars. If the game denies your command, don't panic. Either open to LAN with cheats for single player, run the command from the server console, or add yourself to ops. JSON so you have permission. Once you op yourself or run the console command, retry /gamemode. If changes still fail, restart the server to pick up ops. JSON or server. Properties edits, and then try the command again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.